Are you tired of waiting for others to plan your trips? Do you have a deep desire to explore the world on your own terms? Look no further. In this ultimate solo travel guide, we will provide you with expert tips and hacks to ensure your solo adventure is seamless and unforgettable. The first step to an amazing solo travel experience is choosing the perfect destination. We will guide you through the process of selecting a location that suits your interests, budget, and safety requirements. Whether you're craving a beach getaway, a cultural immersion, or a thrilling outdoor expedition, we've got you covered. Planning your itinerary is key to making the most of your solo adventure. We will share valuable tips on how to create a well-structured itinerary that allows for flexibility and spontaneity. From must-visit attractions to hidden gems off the beaten path, we'll help you craft an itinerary that suits your travel style. Safety should be a top priority when traveling alone. We will provide you with essential safety tips and precautions to ensure your peace of mind throughout your journey. From staying alert in crowded places to securing your belongings, we've got all the bases covered. Getting around while traveling solo can be an adventure in itself. We will offer insights into various transportation options, including public transportation, rideshares, and walking, to help you navigate your destination like a pro. Say goodbye to getting lost and hello to hassle-free exploration. Finding the perfect accommodation can greatly enhance your solo travel experience. We will share tips on finding safe and affordable accommodation options that cater to solo travelers. Whether you prefer hotels, hostels, or unique local stays, we'll help you find the perfect place to rest your head. Dining alone can be intimidating for many solo travelers, but it doesn't have to be. We will provide you with strategies to embrace solo dining, from trying local cuisines to finding comfortable dining options. Get ready to indulge in culinary delights without feeling self-conscious. One of the great joys of solo travel is the opportunity to connect with locals and fellow travelers. We will share tips on how to break the ice, engage in meaningful conversations, and make lifelong connections during your solo adventure. Prepare for unforgettable encounters and cultural exchanges. While planning is essential, leaving room for spontaneity can add a touch of magic to your solo journey. We will discuss the benefits of embracing spontaneity and provide tips on how to seize unexpected opportunities for adventure and exploration. Get ready to go with the flow and create unforgettable memories. As your solo adventure comes to an end, we will guide you on how to wrap up your journey smoothly. From reflecting on your experiences to capturing memories, we'll help you bring your solo travel story to a satisfying close. Get ready to return home with unforgettable stories to share. Congratulations! You are now equipped with expert tips and hacks for a seamless solo adventure. It's time to embark on the trip of a lifetime and create unforgettable memories. Be brave, be curious, and embrace the freedom of solo travel.